Hello there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share simple homemade Chinese recipes. If you are tired of eating salad with greens and are long for something different, then the healthy recipe I'm about to share in this video is going to help. We are going to make a salad with a low-cost ingredient that is rich in antioxidants and minerals like calcium and potassium in only 3 simple steps. And the miraculous main character is the radish. I am using the Korean radish. Other radish like the white radish or red radish works too. Peel and thoroughly wash the radish, cut into half. Slice into 2 mm thin pieces. With this thickness, the radish slice is a bit chewier. Cut it thinner if easy to chew is your preference. For the size of my radish, this produces about 3 cups of radish slices. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Mix well. Make sure every single slice is separated and touches the sugar and vinegar. Let it sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours. 2 hours later, dump the liquid. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. One tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of oyster or mushroom sauce for a vegetarian dish. Two to 3 chopped small red chili peppers. In a pot, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan pepper corns. Heat it up until the peppers turn dark. Spray some scallion rains on top of the salad. Pour the hot oil in, mix. Two teaspoons of sesame oil, 3 teaspoons of dark rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Mix well. I can't wait but to eat one as the smell is so fresh and tempting. Transfer some to your favorite plate and store the rest in the refrigerator. It can last for 3 to 4 days without getting spoiled. The challenge is, however, that it may not survive that long anyways, given how tempting it is. Most of the time, I eat them up in a couple of days. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Click on the like button and try it. Let me know how it goes. If you're new, please also remember to subscribe and check out the other exciting and easier to follow authentic Chinese recipes in my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the other videos.